Hello and welcome to the program. This is Archie Luxury for 2012. Today I want to talk about investment potential. That's right, every collector at the back of their mind needs to consider the investment potential of their collection. And with Louis Vuitton it's no different. If you've amassed a collection there, you want to know what does the outlook hold for the next year ahead. And I must say the economy is very tight. A lot of sectors are struggling. It's not just in a Australian sense, in a US sense the economy is very tough. European sense it's very tough, and in an Asian sense it's also not hammering along 100%. So let's have a look here. What I think with my collection itself there, a lot of the items are traditional classic pieces, and they certainly will hold their own there. What certainly must be said is that any pieces that I've customized, of course the resale value is going to be affected, but as I've put those away for myself, it's not really a huge problem there itself. What is something that is interesting to note is that fashions are really quite changing, and whereas I've amassed a collection of briefcases, the users of these items now, has actually shifted. Briefcases now are more like a man bag, a more soft, subtle type of bag. So the rigid hard case briefcases I've got, although they're very lovely and collectible, the market has fallen because collectors themselves, well, the actual users, the public itself, is using a different style of item. So this certainly must affect the resale value. I mean, a president is still a president, and you know, it's always going to have a demand for that type of item there. But it must be said that the prices is always determined by what somebody's prepared to pay for an item, and I think those will fall in time as rigid briefcases become less used by the general public. In my case here, here's actually four lovely hard case pieces. A tiger green president, tiger green diplomat, and a tiger green diplomat in burgundy. I think those there, the smaller ones are probably still quite usable, but the bigger president is probably getting less likely to be used because fashions are changing. And when fashions change, prices do suffer. So where 10 years ago there was no question of these items being usable for everyday executive or business person, now the fashions have really changed. People are more using laptop bags, bum bags, casual type of bags, man bags. So the more structured, rigid sort of case is a bit more throwback to the 80s and 90s. So how that pans out is hard to see, but that certainly will affect prices. Prices themselves, condition's always going to be an important factor. If you've got good pieces in good condition, they will always get a premium as compared to standard or scruffy type pieces. So condition's always an important thing. With the collector market itself there, things are getting very tough. eBay itself is a great reference source. You can see the number of lot of high-end luxury items has shrunken on eBay, and the prices that they have asked, instead of it being more flexible, they tend to be very rigid. It's either pay that price or no deal. And I think the market itself is a general slowing in the collectible type market there itself. Prices are remaining firm, but a lot of people are not prepared to discount heavily. So when a sale does come along, it's a lot more effort to get that sale. And I think this is really going to hurt the collectible market, not just Louis Vuitton, but any type of collectible piece that you may have. I'm Archie Luxury. It's been my Archie Luxury channel segment on the investment potential of luxury goods. Thanks very much for watching, and let's make 2012 a fantastic year. See you later.